How to change your username on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change your username on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Log in to your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap edit profile. Tap username and you can easily delete this current one and enter a new one. But currently I don't want to remove my username, so you can do as per your choice. So you have to note that you'll be able to change your username back to this one for another 14 days. So that is how we can easily change username on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.